engine starts right up. Clip myself into the distance. Daddy like talk radio on gravel. He would drive you so. He told me let's go see what we could see. We pulled into the empty lot before the pavement got too hot. Underneath her just us and